Did you know your iPhone can determine your location accurately, even if Wi-Fi and Bluetooth are turned off from Control Center, because the system uses other location services in the background? And stranger, there are settings that let ad companies know exactly where you are, moment by moment. But don't worry, I'll show you how to stop it all in minutes. First, Wi-Fi and Bluetooth tracking. The iPhone uses Wi-Fi and Bluetooth signals to determine your location, even if both are turned off. That makes your location get logged in the background without you noticing. The fix: settings. Privacy and security. Location services. System services. Then turn off networking and wireless. And also significant locations. Now the iPhone won't be able to determine your location from nearby signals. Second, DNS leak. When you visit a site, the iPhone asks, "Where is that server?" via DNS. But sometimes that request leaks outside the VPN, which means your ISP can still see every site you visit. The fix: open settings, Wi-Fi, next to the network. Choose Configure DNS. Manual. And write 1.1.1.1 and 1.0.0.1 inside DNS servers. Then save. Or download the 1.1.1.1 app from the App Store and enable Warp. Now, all your internet queries will be encrypted and no one will know what you're visiting. Third, browser fingerprinting. Every site you visit collects very detailed info about you: device type, fonts, language, screen size, even system settings. When it aggregates all that info, it can identify you personally, even if you switch browsers or clear cookies. Practical fix: if you use Safari, know that it doesn't provide strong protection against fingerprinting. So it's better to use a browser with advanced protection like Brave browser. Open Shield settings and enable all protections, especially fingerprinting blocking. This particular browser has a very important video coming up on the channel that you must follow. And if you want maximum privacy, use Tor browser when visiting very sensitive sites. These settings are simple, but they make the difference between an ordinary user and a user who knows how to protect themselves. Open your phone now and check these settings before you become an easy tracking target. Always be smarter than the system trying to know everything about you. See you in the next video.